Can a warehouse help build a better tomorrow? We think so. We're in the business of developing and managing logistics spaces. We want to create solutions for our clients that suit their needs and keep up with ever-increasing consumer demands, but we want to do this in a way that considers the environment around us. One of the ways we do this is to reduce the levels of CO2 emissions that are created as a result of building and operating our developments. We've made a serious commitment to improving our sustainability efforts. This includes working collaboratively with our suppliers to ensure high levels of supply chain innovation and knowledge sharing across our teams to increase understanding of sustainability. To keep the process meaningful and relevant, we have professional external bodies validate and recognise our achievements by measuring and recording our carbon footprint and environmental performance. For a development to be considered for certification, it must first undergo a rigorous assessment of its whole life carbon. This is called a life cycle assessment and consists of two key elements. The first is embodied carbon, which takes into account the carbon impact of all activities required in the construction supply chain. The second element the LCA considers is operational carbon, things such as heating, cooling, and lighting. We're committed to reducing our carbon footprint across all our operations, and we've been getting good results from modelling of the building design. Our speculative development in Doncaster is a great example. Our Doncaster facility is set to achieve an 11.9% reduction in embodied carbon and a 15.6% reduction in operational carbon, giving a 13.1% CO2 reduction overall. We reduced embodied carbon by using 196 tonnes of cement alternative in the concrete for the foundations and a steel roof and wall cladding system because steel has a lower embodied carbon than aluminium. The operational carbon reduction of 15.6% was achieved by installing energy-efficient heating, cooling and lighting. In addition to this, we're planting just over 12,000 trees around our Doncaster site. These will help to support biodiversity and absorb carbon emissions. Overall, the carbon saved at the Doncaster site roughly equates to the carbon produced by driving around the Earth 518 times, building 69 new homes in the UK, all running the lighting in those homes for 400 years. Small, carefully considered changes in the construction process add up to equal big results when it comes to our carbon footprint. By constantly evaluating everything we do, we can ensure that we're acting responsibly and sustainably. Can a warehouse help build a better tomorrow? We think so.